it becomes rust or rusty. And this is because you're not using it, you're not allowing other people to. Hey Savvy Pros, welcome to a whole new week, and thank you so much for checking out my page. Professionals, thank you so much for all the support that you've given me over the year and supporting or engaging with my content. I want to speak to you today about something that's so important because a lot of us are making choices, wrapping up projects, and doing all of the things that we need to do in order to have a successful close and a start to 2025. Professionals, this thing is about trust. Now, I was thinking about how important trust is, especially in times of our lives when we're doing new things, coming out of our comfort zone, venturing off into new projects, or even just closing something off and not actually knowing what is next. Professionals, when it comes to trust, it's so important to invest in it. First, trusting yourself, and then being able to trust the situations, environments around you. But the thing is, when you don't use trust, it becomes rust or rusty. And this is because you're not using it, you're not allowing other people to get close to you, or you may not be allowing yourself to trust yourself in the risk or the leaps or the decisions that you're going to make. So professionals, always remember that you can utilize your trust every single day for it to compound to make more, or it becomes rusty, and that can lead to bitterness, overthinking, overanalyzing, or just feeling stuck or frozen in a position, as you know about the flight or fight response. And you may just find yourself doing nothing when there are things you can do. I put in my last video that there's always choices and things are always happening simultaneously. When you think you have one option for something, if you really gave your time to invest and think about it, you can have so many more options. So check out this old video that I did about generating 70 ideas within 7 days, something like that. I'll put it here. But professionals, thank you so much for trusting me with delivering content to you. Thank you for checking it out. Professionals, have a great day. Use that trust and don't allow it to get rusty. And especially during this time where a lot of people may not really trust or depend on others to support them or help them. You know, you always hear the phrase, no one's coming to save you, no one's gonna come to help you. But what if there are always people there to help you in the form of your friends, your family, or even acquaintances that you meet in your passing day? So professionals, as always, I'll check in with you soon. Have a savvy week. Take some time to do any activity or anything that's gonna build some trust in your life. Okay, professionals? I said that a lot of times, but I'll check in with you soon. Take care.